Any tips for the Security Plus exam? Yeah. So, depending on which version you're going for, somebody had a question on the Security Plus earlier. 601 versus the 501 version, and um, the thing I would say the most is get as much exposure to the information as you can. So, as much as you can hear it, as much as you can read about it, all that stuff will help you. On certification exams that I've taken, uh, like I'll try to find audio files or something like that and just listen to it, like when I'm going to work, when I'm on lunch, when I'm leaving work, going home. Um, I'm telling you, passively listening to it like that is super helpful. Um, it just kind of burns it into your brain. But the more that you get exposure to it, the better. It will help you kind of grasp that material a lot better than if you're just, if you're just reading it real quick and then going on with your day.